Hey you guys, this is a tutorial for an A-line dress, and I didn't do a bodice block drafting or sleeve block drafting because the tutorials all over YouTube and these are not my dimensions.
Guys, welcome to another tutorial for um, an A-line dress that I want to make. So obviously this is not my measurements, I just did it this way so that I can film for you guys. And okay, let's start. So first I'm gonna make a few adjustments to the neckline. Okay, so I'm going to reduce the shoulder length to like half of that and take down the neckline to just above the line for my armhole, so maybe like here. So drawing the neckline this way. Okay, then because this is going to be an A-line dress, I am going to disregard this dart in the middle, and just depending on you, here might be a deeper curve, so you just straighten out the line. Okay, here might be a deeper curve for you, but you just straighten it out. So that is that for the neckline, the shoulder, and this part. So now you need to spread it out to give it the A-line look, but I don't like a very wide A-line. I want to make it more streamlined. Okay, so first of all we're going to manipulate this dart here. Okay, so I'll cut it to the dart so that it's easier for us to move it. Okay, okay, so cutting into the dart. Okay, so now to manipulate this dart, I'm going to move some of the space down here to give us the A-line shape. So I'll just draw a line and cut into that. Cut into that. Now, like I said, I don't want too wide of a A-line. So, depending on you, just know that whatever space you give here is going to be twice, because this is half of the front. It's going to be twice on the other side. So I've selected that there and I've left this amount of space. Now I want to also leave some more here, so I'll draw another line. So you're going to measure the space you put here you also put it here. So I'm just eyeballing it for now, but when I'm sewing my actual garment, I'm going to measure it out. Okay. I'll do that there. As it is now, it looks alright, but I still want to add some more. So I'm also going to leave some space in front. Okay? I'm also going to leave some space in front. Like I said, you can choose whatever amount you want to leave. Right? Then I'm also going to add some more length there. You measure what you want. And then add to it. Right? And at this point, as you're going to see, the hem is taking a slight curve upwards. So I'll just, it's a very gentle curve. Okay. Then for the bust, because of all this curve that's been going on, you can see here is a little bit wonky, right? So I'm going to straighten it out. And also I'm going to take back the dart apex back a little bit, just because of all the manipulation that's been going on at the bottom. Right? So I'll do this. Right? So, as you can see, all of this is what I have added to get our A-line dress. So now for the back, it's easy. You just get this, put it on the back, and well, obviously you ignore this dart, but you make sure the curve is the same, that you give the same allowance everywhere. And right, so this is it. The sleeve is just going to be a plain sleeve with some gathers at the end. We don't need to get into that. So yeah, so this is my back pattern, and as you can tell, the neckline is higher, the shoulder seam is the same. I'll show you. See, the shoulder seam has to match, and because of the depth of this front, I am not going to be putting in any zip or button stand or anything like that, right? Okay, so as usual, we ignore this dart. Then you just put this on over there. And actually, for my back seam, center back seam, I do like to shape it a bit, but you don't have to if you don't want to. So put it. As you can see, this is right. So see, it follows the straight line. That matches. That matches. Okay. So now all we need to do is follow this line at the bottom so that the front and the back match. Okay. So okay. So this is our back. And I'm going to now cut that out. So this is the back, cut two, okay? And this is the front. Here, do unfold and cut one, okay? Right, so everything matches up. And like I said, the sleeve is just a regular old sleeve, which you can find from anywhere. And yeah, I'll cut this out on fabric. So this is what we have. This is the back. That is the facing. That's the front facing. This is the front. And I just want to show you my pattern cut to scale, cut to my real size. And I wanted a 3-inch hem. So that's what that is there. And as you can see, I just flipped it and cut the other side. But I closed up the dart first, then flipped it and cut. So yeah, on to sewing.